Most people waste their 20s and 30s making money mistakes that take decades to fix. But if you use these years wisely, you can set yourself up for lifelong wealth. Here's a step-by-step guide to do exactly that. Step 1. Master the basics. In your 20s, your biggest advantage is time. You might not have a lot of money, but you have plenty of it. Time to learn, time to hustle, time to build good financial habits. First, learn to live below your means. Track every expense, cut the unnecessary, and save as much as you can. Build an emergency fund. This is your safety net for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved can prevent you from going into debt for these emergencies. If you can control your money early, you'll never feel out of control later. Step 2. Eliminate toxic debt. Credit cards with high interest, personal loans for lifestyle purchases, these are wealth killers. High interest debt is a 20 secret wealth destroyer because it seems manageable, but it's actually draining your finances. Paying the minimum balance on a high-interest credit card can keep you in debt for years, costing you thousands in interest. Instead, focus on paying off bad debt as fast as possible. Once you're done with that, you can use your money to invest in your future, which leads us to Step 3. Step 3. Build marketable skills. Your income potential is determined by your skills and abilities. What are you good at? How can you add value to others? This could be anything from coding and sales to design and project management. And here's the best part. You don't have to be naturally gifted. Almost any skill can be learned with practice and dedication. But why is this important? Because your income is the foundation of your wealth. So the more valuable you are, the more you can earn and the faster you can grow your wealth. It's like investing in a high-growth stock. The earlier you buy, the more time you have to benefit from the growth. Learning new skills is an investment in yourself, and the sooner you start, the better. There are tons of free resources available online. Take advantage of them. Step 4. Start investing early. We've said it before and we'll say it again. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even if it's just $50 a month. Open a brokerage account and start investing in low-cost index funds, ETFs, or other simple investments you understand. Don't chase quick returns or try to time the market. Just focus on consistently investing over the long term. Remember the power of compounding interest. If you invest $50 a month in a stock that averages a 10% annual return, you will have over $1 million by the time you raise 65. That's the power of starting early. Step 5. Build multiple streams of income. Don't rely on a single paycheck. Explore side hustles, freelancing, rental income, or small online businesses. These can provide a financial safety net and accelerate your wealth-building journey. For instance, starting a side hustle can help you pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or invest more. Plus, having multiple income sources provides stability and can help you weather any financial storms. Step 6. Upgrade your lifestyle slowly. As your income grows, resist the urge to dramatically increase your lifestyle. The classic mistake is to earn more and spend more, which prevents wealth accumulation. Instead, upgrade your lifestyle gradually and invest the rest. By doing this, you can enjoy your newfound wealth without sacrificing your financial future. For example, buying a nicer car might seem tempting, but consider the costs of ownership like insurance, maintenance, and depreciation. Instead, invest that money and let compounding interest work its magic. You can always upgrade later if it's important to you. Your 20s and 30s are your launch pad for building wealth. Master the basics, kill bad debt, grow your skills, invest early, and diversify your income. If you master these steps, your future self will thank you. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Start today and build the life you're after. Time is now.